Dear students, in this video we are going to study trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here we have a table. The memory of all these values of this table will help you to solve any problem on this topic. But the question is how to memorize all these values. I hope many techniques were conveyed by your teacher in classroom. Now I am going to take one of them. Before that, let us empty table. Now let us write the values of sin 0 degree, sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree and sin 90 degree in first row. Sin 0 degree is equal to 0, sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Observe here, sin 0 degree is equal to 0 and sin 90 degree is equal to 1. In between these two values, we have three more values. But in denominators of all these three values, we have 2. But in denominator of sin 45 degree, we have root 2. Therefore, we can easily memorize all these 5 values. Next, cos 0 degree to cos 90 degree can be written by taking all these values in the reverse order. That is, cos 0 degree is equal to 1, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2, cos 90 degree equal to 0. Next, we know that tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Therefore, tan 0 is equal to sin 0 by cos 0. Therefore, tan 0 degree is equal to 0 divided by 1, that is equal to 0. Next, tan 30 degree equal to 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Therefore, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Similarly, we can write tan 45 degree, tan 60 degree and tan 90 degree. That is, tan 45 degree is equal to 1, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3, tan 90 degree is equal to ND, that is not defined. Next, we know that cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Therefore, cosecant 0 degree to cosecant 90 degree can be written by taking reciprocals of all values from sin 0 degree to sin 90 degree. That is, reciprocal of 0, that is not defined, ND, reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is cosecant 30 degree 2. Similarly, cosecant 45 degree root 2, cosecant 60 degree 2 by root 3, cosecant 90 degree 1. Next, secant 0 degree to secant 90 degree can be written by taking all these values in reverse order. Secant 0 degree 1, secant 30 degree 2 by root 3, secant 45 degree root 2, secant 60 degree 2, secant 90 degree is not defined. Next, cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Therefore, cot 0 degree to cot 90 degree can be written by taking reciprocals of values from tan 0 degree to tan 90 degree. That is, cot 0 degree is not defined, cot 30 degree root 3, cot 45 degree 1, cot 60 degree 1 by root 3, cot 90 degree is equal to 0. Now let us take first problem on this topic. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 5 cm and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Determine the lengths of the sides BC and AC. Let us draw a right angle triangle with angle B is equal to 90 degree. Next, measure of AB is equal to 5 centimeter and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. As we know, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Next, we have to find the value of BC, also the value of AC. To calculate value of BC, let us consider tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to AB by BC, that is opposite side by adjacent side. What is the value of tan 30 degree? It can be taken by this table, that is tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Substitute the value. 1 by root 3 is equal to 5 by BC. Therefore, BC is equal to 5 root 3 units. Next, to calculate the value of AC, let us consider sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to AB by AC, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Substitute the value of sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute the value, that is 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by AC, because AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Next problem. Find the values of the following. First one, sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. Let us consider the problem. Sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. We can find the values of sin 60 degree cos 30 degree and sin 30 degree cos 60 degree from this table. Sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree is also equal to root 3 by 2. Similarly, sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute the values. That is equal to root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, because root 3 into root 3 is equal to root 9, that is equal to 3. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 plus 1 ones are 1 divided by 2 twos are 4. That is equal to 3 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to 4 by 4. That is equal to 1.